marching in a line, carrying food, looking so fine. B is for butterfly, colorful wings, flying in the garden, happiness it brings. C is for cricket, chirping all night, singing a song under moonlight. D is for dragonfly, shiny and bright, zooming near the water, a lovely sight. E is for earthworm, soft and small, digging in the soil, helping us all. F is for firefly, glowing in the dark, twinkling lights just like a spark. G is for grasshopper, jumping high, leaping in the meadow, touching the sky. H is for honeybee, buzzing with cheer, making yummy honey, golden and clear. Insects, tiny and sweet, flying, crawling, buzzing on feet. Learning A to Z is fun. Come on kids, let's sing and run. I is for inchworm, crawling slow, measuring the garden row by row. J is for June bug, shiny and round, crawling on the leaves without a sound. K is for katydid, green as a leaf, singing in the garden, music so brief. L is for ladybug, spots so neat, crawling on flowers, looking sweet. M is for mosquito, buzzing near, tiny but naughty, flying so near. N is for net beetle, wings so wide, resting on flowers side by side. O is for owl, butterfly, eyes on its wings, a magical insect nature brings. E is for praying mantis, standing tall, waiting very quietly, not moving at all. Insects, tiny and sweet, flying, crawling, buzzing on feet. Learning A to Z is fun. Come on kids, let's sing and run. Q is for queen bee, ruling the hive, helping the colony stay alive. R is for rhino beetle, strong and grand, lifting things heavier than sand. S is for spider, spinning a web, catching little insects as they ebb. T is for termite, tiny and small, building little houses big and tall. U is for underwing moth, hiding so well, when it spreads its wings, colors tell. V is for velvet and fuzzy and bright, though it looks pretty, careful of its bite. W is for wasp, buzzing around, building paper nests, safe and sound. X is for Circe's blue butterfly, rare, flying in gardens with gentle care. Y is for yellow jacket, fast and quick, buzzing loudly, flying so slick. Z is for zebra butterfly, black and white.